Hey there! If you use a Blink camera or doorbell, you've probably spotted that little red blinking light and wondered, uh-oh, is something wrong? Don't worry, in the next 2 minutes I'll break down exactly what that red light means, and how you can fix it, fast. So first up, the most common reason for a blinking red light? Low battery. If you use a battery-powered Blink camera, like the XT, XT2 indoor or outdoor, those all take AA batteries. A fresh pair usually lasts up to 2 years, but if your camera catches a lot of action, it'll drain faster. If you see the red light, chances are your battery is under 10%. Just swap in a new pair of regular AA batteries. Duracell or Energizer work great. Avoid rechargeables, they just don't provide enough juice. If new batteries don't fix it, remove the device from the app. Take off the back cover, remove one battery, then press and hold the small button near the battery. While holding it, put the battery back in. Keep holding until the red light flashes. The camera is now reset and ready to re-add. Here's another reason. When your Blink camera senses motion and starts recording, it flashes a red light. If someone walks by and you spot the light, no worries. It's just doing its job. Now, the third cause: Wi-Fi or sync module problems. Blink cameras need a solid internet connection. If they lose it, you'll see that red light. Check your Wi-Fi, make sure your sync module sits between your router and the camera. Try to keep walls to a minimum. Open your Blink app, tap the gear next to your camera, and head to General Settings to check your signal strength. If nothing works, try resetting your sync module. I cover that in detail in another video, which you can find on my channel. And that's it. If this helped you, hit like, share, and subscribe for more Blink tips. Thanks for watching.